Vile vengeri vya ya Jeff watevanda kento wate book smart street smart korende eyune nkwana ya tukurukuru asego story ya handball tonda asego story ya basketball asekerengo kilikia basubati na lit kulia lero nego chi finals chiaba chikogo story gwase basketball jarenge gatie eskuru ya Barchando Girls yare kogo story ya eskuru ya Ototo Girls na umelewe nige eskuru ya Ototo Girls enero bwechi point 68 ase 35 uyuno mwanganyo mwanene sana kwene kibuna eskuru ya Ototo Girls neskuru engia sana asego story ya basketball nto sangano morokyo mwanene bweskuru eyu to sange birengali biyaye
Aya, ule niko kombe. Una basi. Yuko na jamu na John. Yuko jamu.
Asante sana. Naitwa Clement Nyakinda. Tulianza basketball 2017. We have been coming to the regionals right from the counties, but at least today we have made it to the next level. Okay, we have won all our matches right from the zonals to the regional finals. Yeah, the match our opponents were equally good, but we worked harder. Yeah, we are going to do our best at the nationals, and if possible we qualify for the East African Games, which is the next level after the nationals. I want to thank our players for the hard work and tell them to keep playing, keep practicing so that we go to the next level.
Okay, my name is Janet Ngoya. I'm the captain of the team. I'm in Form 3. Game imekuwa poa, tumebambika. Tulianza ka tumeogopa, but we thank God for everything yenye ametufanyia. Najua tutaendelea vizuri na tutaendelea far. Communication kwa team. We have our players, like the plays tulikuwa tumejifunza as a team. So the communication penye tunajipanga court na communication in a win game, and then good nice too. Okay, now I promise kama tumeenda Nakuru tuta work hard and we have God. We trust, I trust my teams. Najua tukifika huko we will be the champion again, and then tutapeleka our best huko, and then tukirudi tutarudi na surprise again. Amen.
Ototo Girls abara bako representer wangoro wa Nyanza ase chigosori chiachi secondary kango kedikia nationals chirakorera inse chuwiki bera sensemeli ya Nakuru ndakikore basketball yeyo kwa gap nechi point 68-35 in a final ndakangera tebera yo di eskuro ya Ototo Girls nakioranya kwanere
but the kill time was go train for that gap ya almost 30 points but the time you go train in the face our most principles pia banje mepira baba na time yo go train join the kabata CPC kichika konya bange sana.